This is the big one. This is like the biggest thing. This is bigger than the Super Bowl.
Whatever, that's Ant-Man. Who likes Ant-Man?
It's good because they're the bad guy. See the bad guy? It's gonna be really good. Hey everybody, Floridasupreme here. Today we're at the most magical place on earth, the Magic Kingdom. No plans, just have fun. Go where the wind takes us.
Don't get scared.
What's that gonna do? Let's do this!
Just got into the park and I am starving, so I just headed straight to the Colombian Harbor House. Alright, I think I'm gonna go with the trio platter. Combination of fried shrimp, chicken strips, and battered fish served with hush puppies and a choice of a side. And then probably gonna get gonna get this New England clam chowder served in a black sourdough bread bowl. That will be good. I think that'll be it. And see if they have a Powerade. I don't think they do, but let me check here. Don't think they have Powerade. Alright, I got the seat I always wanted. Every time I come here, this seat is full. So now I gotta look out the window. Nice. Got this bread bowls. It took a while. It took like, I don't know, almost like 15 minutes to get our food. Ooh, that is hot. The bread bowl is really, really good. And the hush puppies are really good. Next time I come here, I'll just get the bread bowl and maybe some hush puppies and by itself. I do not like the fries. The fries are just too small and way too crispy. Not enough potato in there.
You can look what's available.
Maintenance issues at Magic Kingdom? I don't believe it. I've been reading a couple posts about how it's a small world, it's having some maintenance issues and mold issues in the Carousel Progress and some others. So I'm gonna check these out, kind of debunk these maintenance issues. All right, here we are at It's a Small World. I remember a time when I was little that you exited that way and then you walked all the way up there and came out through here. Now you exit this way, which is smarter because the queue stays indoors for the most part. When it was the other way around, the queue went all the way outside in the hot sun. So I don't know when they changed that and why did it take so long to think of that. I think these boats have already been cleaned. They look very good. No mold or anything on them. Got their legs stuck. nice, refreshing Powerade. Hey, what's the difference between this one and this one? 50% more electrolytes. I'll take that. This doesn't work too good. This where you pick and design your, you gotta scroll up and down. Maybe this one. Try this one. Press to start. Yeah, you're supposed to go up and down, but kind of.
No, this sucks.
Dude, this doesn't move. Ugh, it's a waste. All right, you ready to ride the Barnstormer? All right, front row. Oh my God! Oh no! Wow, it's as fast as Tron. That's it. It's like, I think Tron's a little longer than this. 10 minutes for the Speedway. Whenever I see the line come over here, it's never 10 minutes. I'll put my clock on.
I missed that place.
Oh, eating there? Yeah. Alright, starting now. See if this is 10 minutes. I think in the future, in the perfect world, Tesla will sponsor this. And these cars will be Tesla cars, and they'll be so much quieter. And then over here, they can make a futuristic city that will blend in with Space Mountain and Tron, where you could drive your cars to the future. And maybe a couple little indoor areas that you could drive through. A lot of, and then over there, finally put some more trees to block off Fantasyland from Tomorrowland with some trees. Oh, it might be right. It's 8 minutes now. And we're almost there, so I was wrong. All right, we got number 7. And we're off. Yeah. Oh, that's 2 points. That's 3 points. 4 points. You gotta stay in the middle. 7 points. Oh, that's penalty. Can't hit the middle bar. Oh my God, you failed. License revolt. Somebody talking on your phone? You're hallucinating.
You don't hear it.
No. Oh, deodorant. I saw some deodorant on the floor. Oh, the Peoplemover escalator is working again. This must be what some people are talking about, like things like this on the Peoplemover, like paint shipping off.
Spacecraft to monster labs.
Wear and tear.
In Tomorrowland.
Stuff like that.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or
Oh, looks like they boarded up the screen already.
Now, this is Frontierland Station.
Hello, friends. Please remain seated.
So there we got the Tiana's sign coming soon. Scaffolding and work going on up there. Let me see if I can zoom in there. Yep. Look at that. All the water's out.
They bring the water.
They build a little bridge there so they go walk by. Well, Pirates is a 20-minute wait. Might as well jump on here. It's hot outside. It's nice and cool in here.
Sparrow, you'll never find the treasure without a look at this here map. And this love.
35 minutes for the Jungle Cruise. I'm all for that.
Constricting later. You don't want to get wrapped up in all that. Now, in just a few moments, we're going to be stopping by my favorite. Oh my goodness. This is what happens when you leave your doors open in the jungle. Look what they did to my feet. They painted it blue. Everything needs to turn over though. I couldn't get it started this morning.
for the Jungle Cruise, and it was a 40-minute wait. Pirates wasn't. Pirates was like a 10-minute wait. Jungle Cruise was definitely 40-minute wait, maybe more. Got some 100th anniversary merchandise here. It's 100 years of wonder. Chippendale 100th anniversary, and they are connected. Yeah, $34, $35. Pluto with a 100th anniversary collar, $35. Never had it so peaceful here on the ferry boat. The General Joe Potter. It's so peaceful. Peace and quiet.